to my channel. Today is unboxing day. So we are going to unbox a package from Morphe. My boxes arrived one after the other, and I have this, and this is a bit big, and this. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So let's open. I've forgotten it already. Okay. So I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 products in this box. I have a Fluidity brush and sponge trio, which is this. Let's open it. Wow, okay, that's good. I like this. I ordered this because I want to use a brush to put my foundation, and I got a lot of pretty good reviews about this brush, and this is how it looks like. It's really firm. So nice on the skin. It's firm, but it's soft. It's not harsh on the skin, so it's really cool. Aside from that, I have another beauty sponge, which is this. So softy. And I have this concealer brush, which is this. And by the way, this is M173. Well, it's also soft as well, but firm. It's nice for under the eye or in a corner. And this one is M439. Okay. Alright, I bring it back. Okay, next one is round contour brush. Let's open this beauty brush. And this is how it looks like. Wow. It's a Morphe R14 and it's in a rose gold color. It's so nice. Nice. The feeling is super soft and it's smooth. Okay. Aside from that, I took a detailed bullet crease brush, and that brush looks like this. I think I already have one of this, but I want to take another one. It's the M455. Nice. I think this is to define the crease area. Love it. Next one is the detailed lip brush. I think I can use this for cut crease for the lips. And this is the E35. Okay, next I have the Morphe Eyelid primer. I want to try another primer again, and since I ordered some stuff, so why not get a primer? And this is how it looks like. Okay, I don't want to open it yet, but it's in translucent. Okay, throw this. All right, so they have a discount for these palettes. I'm crazy with discounts. That's why I'm a very good customer. So this is called the 9H Hot for Hue Artistry Palette from Morphe. And the colors are awesome. It's a 9 shades that brings the heat. That's why they call it Hot for Hue. Okay. This is not a paper. Wow. I think I'm gonna have fun using this. So cute. I like this neon yellow green color. And I love the orange as well, and the pink and the coral and everything. So yes. Okay. Another color that I took is 9C Color Me Cool. You can see the color, it's blue. by Morphe. 9 shades worth the chill. I remember my best friend Chill. Shay, Chill, Jay, Asha, and Peng. So they are my best friends when I was in university. So yeah, it reminds me of Chill and everybody. Okay, this is how it looks like up. Oh my god, I love the purple. Purple colors, and you have some blue and yellow, green, and baby blue. Wow, I will swatch it when we will try it. Nice, I love it. Okay, next product that I ordered is the HC Cool Pro Blush Palette. Because I don't have a blush, I only have the Cheerleading Squad. And I always use James Charles palette for my blush on, which in the shade, I think I use the shade Burnt. I don't know if he has this one, but yeah, I think that's the name, but I'm not sure. So let's open this beauty. It's a 8 shades for keeping your cool. Okay, let me see your cool. It's also plastic and not a paper. I don't know if this is called plastic, but yeah, it's rigid. Okay, wow, they have the M, the detail Morphe in there. Morphe babe, and yes. I have the sexy, IT girl, free, hot, queen, drama, ego, and driven. I think I will use more of a, I don't know, maybe hot or driven. So yes, this will be a very exciting palette. And I promised myself this is my last order. I don't want to order anymore, but they keep on coming back with the promotion and things like this. So what am I gonna do, right? Hit that button and order. That's what I do. So, okay. I don't know why I ordered 2 palettes of blush, but I think it's a mistake. But anyway, I have 2. So blend the fruits. Okay. So I have extra here just in case. Maybe I will do this for a raffle draw, or I don't know, but let's see about that. And okay, the last one is called 35V for Victor Stunning Vibes. Blend the rules. Okay, it's the same. So yes, and this has 35 shades for love at first swipe. Nice, I like this. Love at first swipe. Wow, this is so cool. Okay, let's see the Stunning Vibes. Stunning Vibes looks like what? It's also not a paper. It's rigid, which is really cool. I just hope that it won't break. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, nice. I like this palette too. I cannot wait to play with it. So yes, wow. I love this palette. Wow. So stunning. Okay, so moving on, we are going to open the second box. So let me just tidy this up and get back to you. Okay, I'm back. So this is the other box, and in this box there are 1, 2, 4, 6, 7 products, and I think I bought just 2 each of I bought a foundation in the shade of F3 100. I don't know if this is my shade. It's the first time I'm buying a foundation via order, but let's see. They in the website you can really check your shade, but for me personally, I'd rather go to the store and check it myself. So yeah, but let's see how it looks on the skin. I think it's good. Lots of good reviews about this, and it's a full coverage foundation. 24-hour long wear. It is sweat proof, transfer resistant. That's good. Water resistant, free of oils, fragrance, and parabens, and it's great for all skin type. So let's open one. It's okay, I think it's good, not bad. Yeah. That's how it looks like. And it's a 30 ml foundation. Okay, the next one is C55. Okay, this is a concealer. It's C55 and this is the shade. Full coverage concealer, and it's the same. It's 16-hour long wear, sweat proof, transfer resistant, water resistant, free of fragrances and paraben, and it is an ophthalmologist tested concealer. Super interesting. So let's open one. Nice. Nice with the letter M. You see? Ooh, nice M. M for my name. Okay. Put it back. Other than that, I brought another concealer for brightening. So this one is in the shade of C325. I'm still confused if this is for brightening or if this is for concealing, but I will try to figure it out. So let's open this C325 and let's see the difference between the 25 and the 35. Okay, this is the 25 and this is the 55. Wow. 25 and 55. So 25 and 55. 55 is of course darker than a 25. So yeah, this is to brighten. Well, I think this is a very exciting product to use. And you know, in all the makeups that I bought, Morphe is the most affordable with a great quality products, with a great pigment. So yeah, it is really an amazing product to work with, in my opinion. And from all the reviews that I saw, this is amazing. C325, and the brushes, they are affordable and they are really great. You cannot imagine. Okay, so last but not the least, I am super happy to have another palette. The Morphe X Jeffree Star. So, hi, how are you? Look at her. She's so pretty. I love her. Okay, so let's open this palette. Beauty. Morphe X Jeffree Star. Okay, wow. Look at that hologram effect. Love it. Okay, up. Wow. It has a mirror. It has a mirror. That's the mirror, but yeah. Nice. The colors are really cool. Loving it. Okay, guys. I'm just so happy to do unboxing again. It's been a while, but I waited for these boxes for quite maybe 2 to 3 weeks. So yeah, my unboxing is quite late. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done yet, and ring that bell for you to get notified in my upcoming videos. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye!